If you cannot manage to view different properties during the office hours, find a realtor who does not mind doing business on weekends or after hours. Look for an agent who deals with houses in your specific price range. This would make sure that he would put his best efforts in the job. There are some agents who only deal with the high-end properties. They give priority to the customers looking for bigger properties, and if you are hunting for a small home, it may not be really good idea to go for such agents. Instead of sticking to just one agency, it is advisable to interview or meet as many realtors as possible during your hunt for the best one. Compare them in terms of their knowledge, qualification and experience. How to pick a realtor. While interviewing various agents, you would actually be able to determine the level of their customer care. Things such as their attitude while attending phone calls, willingness to fix a meeting with you, etc., would help to know how far a particular agent can go to gratify the customer. Ask your close friends, relatives or colleagues for referrals, to know if they are aware of any good real estate agent. You can also seek advice from them on the local agents. This would help you to determine the reputation of the agents and in making a better decision. Please call us today at 541-603-9525.